For teachers in Georgia, the wait is over. They are finally eligible to get one of the coronavirus vaccines. NBC News correspondent Ellison Barber in Duluth, Georgia, at a site that's setting aside shots for teachers. Ellison, tell us what it's been like there today.
Hey, Allison, things have been busy here, but moving quickly. There seems to be no shortage of Georgians who wanted to make and show up for appointments to get vaccinated at this site. This site is run by the local health department, and it is also where Gwinnett County Public Schools are encouraging their teachers, their bus drivers, people who have close contact with students to come and get vaccinated. Listen here.
So we're doing about 1,800 vaccine appointments for today, and 600 of those are set aside for teachers.
And I understand that there will be 600 doses of vaccine set aside for teachers at this site every day for the next 2 weeks. Are you confident that there will be enough to vaccinate any educator in Gwinnett County who wants to get a vaccine?
Yes, we believe so. And some of our other smaller schools and private schools and other ones, we're also providing from different arrangements and stuff for those. So we do expect to be able to, in the next 2 weeks, get most of the teachers vaccinated in our county.
Health officials that we have spoken to say they have the resources and the physical space at this vaccination site to vaccinate more people. They're vaccinating, you heard her say, about 1,000 people a day right now. They say that they can actually double that. They just need the state to give them more vaccines. They say the only reason for the delay here right now, it's not space, it's not resources, it's simply a lack of supply. Allison.
So, Ellison, what are you hearing from teachers who are getting their shots there today? No doubt this is a pretty big moment for them.
Yeah, I was going to say, oh, geez, are they thrilled? Every single person we stopped and spoke to who was an educator here today, as early as 9 a.m., they were thrilled to be able to finally get their vaccines. And I'll let you listen to some of what they had to say earlier this morning.
You know, as a teacher, you want to make sure that you are as organized as possible, so I tried to do it as fast as I could. And I'm just really excited to be able to come and have the opportunity to get my vaccine. And get back to normalcy, I guess. As
a state, I'm very happy that we've opened it up to educators. You know, I want the kids back in the classroom.
My wife and I are both educators, and we've been waiting for our turn, and a little disappointed that we have waited this long to vaccinate teachers, even though we have students in the building. We are excited, both of us, to get our vaccination. Both of our parents have been vaccinated at this point, and so we are just excited to get our own.
A number of Georgia school districts started their vaccination clinics or vaccination efforts to get staff vaccinated this week, but not all of them. There are some school districts like Fulton County and Atlanta City Public Schools who are planning to have a clinic later towards the end of the month. Allison.
Ellison, I understand Governor Kemp set aside the state's first full allotment of Johnson & Johnson shots for educators, but they're not where you are. Where did those shots go?
Right. So here they have the Pfizer and Moderna vaccine, but the governor did set aside specifically the Johnson & Johnson vaccine allotment that Georgia got, 83,000 doses for educators. They say, the governor's office, when we spoke to them yesterday, a spokesperson said that they have already sent those to school districts or the health departments partnering with school districts to get their teachers and other educators who are eligible vaccinated with those doses. But our understanding is that the majority of those Johnson & Johnson vaccines are going to more rural areas where they don't have the necessary freezer equipment to store things like the Pfizer and Moderna vaccine. They don't have the Johnson & Johnson vaccine here simply because they say they have the storage to be able to take the Pfizer vaccine, the Moderna vaccine, and distribute it quickly. Other districts, other counties, they don't necessarily have all of that. Allison.
Ellison, it's great to hear that educators all across that state are getting their shots. Thank you so much.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.